Hello all, welcome to Career Coach. We are going to start new series related to Indian geography, that is geography through maps. Right from UPSC examinations to all the state level examinations, Indian geography plays a prominent role. And most of the aspirants feel geography difficult, right? Due to the lack of understanding of the concepts. But dealing geography is very easy when we deal it with through maps. So that way, so we came forward with geography through maps. So Career Coach presents you the important concepts of Indian geography and intended to help the students to get an easy approach to all the competitive examinations. So whenever they study the geography, they feel that so it is very easy and they learn through all the concepts only through maps. So let's begin this video. So in this video we will discuss about some intro, means physiological features of India. So generally ఇండియా అంటే ఏంటి, సో మనం ఇండియా గురించి బేసిక్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేటిది ఈ వీడియోలో వి విల్ కవర్, రైట్? సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ జనరల్గా విచ్ కంట్రీ డూ యూ లివ్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, రైట్? సో విచ్ కంట్రీ డూ యూ లివ్? సో మన ఆన్సర్ వుడ్ బి, సో మెనీ ఆఫ్ ద ఆస్పిరెంట్స్ అందరు ఏం చెప్తారు, ద ఆన్సర్ వుడ్ బి ఇండియా, రైట్? సో వీఆర్ ఆస్పిరెంట్స్, రైట్? మన ఆన్సర్ అనేటిది డిఫరెంట్ ఫామ్లో కూడా ఉంటుంది. సో దాట్ అనేది నేను ఇక్కడ చూస్తాను. 8 degree 4 to 37 degree 6 north latitude and 68 degree 7 to 97 degree 25 east longitude. So what east longitude? So ila chepta andar confuse aitaru. So I can say that this is also the India, right? Yeah, I will prove that. So 8 degree 4, so 8 degree 4 entity, that is Kanyakumari. So Kanyakumari. 37 degree 6, what is that? Kashmir. Is Kashmir, means north side, this is south side. So India extends from north to south, means Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Its length is what? 3214 kilometers, right? And next important, what is that? 68 degree 7. 68 degree 7 is what? Gujarat frontier. So what is that? Gujarat frontier. Next 97 degree 25, that is Arunachal Pradesh frontier. So with this we can say that India extends from west to east direction, from that Gujarat frontier to Arunachal frontier. So its length is what? 2933 kilometers. So by this latitude and longitude, we covered two important points. India extends from north to south, that is Kashmir and Kanyakumari, and west to east, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Now, the total area of India is very important. 32,87,263 kilometers area of India. And India is seventh largest. India is what? Seventh largest country in the world. Next, the total Indian frontier. So the total Indian frontier is 15,200 kilometers. And Indian coastline. So Indian coastline is how much? That is 7,516.6 kilometers. This is some basic info about India, right? Now if you can see that మన ఇండియన్ మ్యాప్ కనుక చూసుకుంటే, సో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ మీన్స్ వెస్ట్ టు ఈస్ట్ మనకి ఇక్కడ వాటర్ బాడీస్ ఈస్ దేర్, రైట్? సో ఈస్ట్ సైడ్ లో వీ హ్యావ్ బే ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్. ఈస్ట్ సైడ్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద బే ఆఫ్ బెంగాల్. అండ్ వెస్ట్ సైడ్ వీ హ్యావ్ అరేబియన్ సీ. వెస్ట్ సైడ్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్? అరేబియన్ సీ. And south side we are having Indian Ocean. So దీంతో మనకి 3 points అయిపోయింది. So the east side of Indian mainland we are having the Bay of Bengal, west side we are having the Arabian Sea, and south side we are having the Indian Ocean. ఇక్కడ now you can see that, so ఇది ఏ డైరెక్షన్? దిస్ ఈస్ సౌత్. ఇది ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంది మనకి? సౌత్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉంది, రైట్? సో ఇన్ ది సౌత్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ we are having Lakshadweep Sea. What we are having here? Lakshadweep Sea. Right? Now here we can also see that, and here the Lakshadweep Islands are there. So Lakshadweep Islands, these are Lakshadweep Islands, and these are all Maldives. These are all what? Maldives, and it is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Right. Now we will discuss about these Maldives. So these Maldives are 125 kilometers away, 125 kilometers away from the Lakshadweep Islands. And Lakshadweep Islands ganaka chuskunte, so towards the south side we are having Maldives. Means the south side of Lakshadweep Islands we are having the Maldives. Right. Now Andaman and Nicobar Islands, so this is 1200 kilometers away from the Indian mainland. So it is away from the Indian mainland. And this Andaman and Nicobar Island, it shares maritime boundaries with Myanmar. It is with Myanmar, Thailand, and Indonesia. Right. Next. Now, ఇప్పుడు total Indian map ganaka చూసుకుంటే, so now we will divide. So overall ga, so in all directions what we are having, so we will go through that. If you see that the north part of India, so the north part of India we are having Himalayan ranges. We are having what? Himalayan ranges. So which part of this? So this is there towards the north part of India. What we are having? Himalayan ranges. Right. And it shares the boundaries with whom? It shares the boundaries with China, Tibet, Bhutan, Nepal. Means these Himalayan ranges which are there towards the north side, it shares the boundary with China, Nepal, Bhutan and Tibet. So China, Nepal, Bhutan and Tibet. Right. Now we will see that west part. So the west part of India. Right. So the west part of India is what? This is the west part of India. Right. And so it shares the boundary with which country? So it shares the boundary with Pakistan. And in Indian peninsular land ganaka chuskunte, so what are the parts it's sharing the boundary with Pakistan is very important. That is Karakoram range. So Karakoram range, and here you can see that Punjab, Haryana plains, and here you can see that Thar desert, and here it would be the Rann of Kutch. So these shares the boundary with Pakistan in west direction. Right. Now we will see that east direction. So India shares a boundary with east direction is with what? With Bangladesh. And here important are this. Means the India shares the boundary with Bangladesh. Here having the important hills. Those are Kashi Hills and Mikir Hills. Right. Now the another important direction. So we covered the north, west and east. Now the south side. If you look into the south side, right, so it shares the boundary with what? So Sri Lanka. So in the south direction, India shares the boundary with Sri Lanka. Right. Now by this, another important, we can say that, right. So here another concept is, so geographically India can be defined in three different ways. So that is the first one is what? Latitude and longitude. So as we know that latitude and longitude, that is 8 degree 4 to 68 degree 37 degree 6, and this is 68 degree 7 to 97 degree 25. Right. And so if you can see that here, so India, the southernmost tip. So very important question in all the examinations, they asked many times. Southernmost tip of India is what? Kanyakumari. And southernmost point of Indian mainland is what? that is also main Indian mainland ki southernmost point. What is that? Is very important. Indira Point. And many of the aspirants don't know that Indira Point is also known as person's Pygmalion, right? So asked many times in the questions. Now this is the southernmost part, and the northernmost part of India is what? That is Indira Col. So then we can call it as Siachen glaciers, right? Now, so here we said that, so geographically India can be identified by latitudes and longitudes. So that is 8 degree 4 to 37 degree 6 and 68 degree 7 to 97 degree 25. And second one is distance. Second one is what? Distance from sea. We all know that we said that in the east side we are having Bay of Bengal, west side we are having Arabian Sea, and south side we are having Indian Ocean, and in the south west direction we are having the Lakshadweep Sea. And all these sea we surrounded towards India are less than 900 kilometers only, And third point is shares boundaries with other countries, So those are all what, as we know that in the north we are sharing with what? China, Nepal, Bhutan, and Tibet. And in the west side we are sharing it with what? Pakistan. And towards the east side we are sharing with Bangladesh. Bangladesh and Myanmar. So Bangladesh and Myanmar. This is towards the east direction. And south direction we know that it is Sri Lanka. So it is what? It is Sri Lanka. And in the northwest you can see that, so this is north and west direction we are also having Afghanistan. Afghanistan. And you can see that Indian mainland southeast islands we are also having Maldives. Maldives, right? Now the another important concept here is what is, so we all know that Tropic of Cancer, right? So the Tropic of Cancer, so asked many times in many examinations, very important. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? So the answer is 8 states. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states, right? Now they will ask that, say that in the west to east direction, what are those states, right? So those are all, the answer would be Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. Those are all Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Right. Another important point is what? Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. So they will ask that, what is Indian Standard Time? So the options will be, they will give that A, B, C, D. So the correct answer is what? 82 degree half. So sometimes they will give 60, 1/5, 96, 90, 82, 86.5. So the Indian Standard Time is what? 82 degree half. And it passes through how many states? That is very important. So it passes through 5 states. It passes through what? 5 states. So those are all what? The first one is Uttar Pradesh. Second one is Madhya Pradesh. Third one is Chhattisgarh. Fourth one is Odisha. And the fifth one is Andhra Pradesh. Right. So Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. Indian Standard Time is passes through the 5 states. is very important. So by this we covered the introduction of India, like physiological features. So we will continue with other classes in the next coming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.